Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Rakuten Advertising, found at rakutenadvertising.com/en-UK, presents a robust platform for affiliate marketers and businesses looking to expand their reach. Offering a comprehensive suite of tools and resources, Rakuten Advertising connects advertisers with a vast network of publishers, facilitating mutually beneficial partnerships. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting, Rakuten Advertising provides the infrastructure and support to help you succeed. Their platform offers in-depth tracking and reporting features, allowing you to monitor your campaign's performance and optimize your strategies. With a focus on data-driven insights, Rakuten Advertising empowers users to make informed decisions, maximizing their return on investment. For advertisers, Rakuten Advertising offers the opportunity to connect with a diverse audience through a wide range of publisher partnerships. This access to a larger pool of potential customers can significantly boost brand visibility and drive sales. The platform's sophisticated targeting capabilities enable advertisers to pinpoint specific demographics and interests, ensuring their message reaches the right audience. Furthermore, Rakuten Advertising streamlines the process of managing affiliate relationships, providing a centralized hub for communication, payment processing, and performance monitoring. Publishers, on the other hand, benefit from access to a vast marketplace of advertisers and diverse campaigns. Rakuten Advertising offers a variety of advertising formats, including text links, banners, and product feeds, providing flexibility and customization options for publishers to integrate seamlessly into their websites or content. The platform also provides robust reporting tools, enabling publishers to track their earnings and optimize their strategies for maximum revenue generation. With dedicated support and resources, Rakuten Advertising helps publishers navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing and achieve their earning goals. In conclusion, Rakuten Advertising provides a powerful platform for both advertisers and publishers to connect, collaborate, and succeed in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. They offer a wealth of resources, advanced tracking capabilities, and a dedicated support system to help users achieve their marketing objectives.